Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. This is not the actual intro of this video, but I just wanted to address some of the stuff going on in the world. Clearly, I should address it and it should be talked about. And I have a lot of links in the description if you want to find out more information, and if you want to sign petitions, and if you want to donate, please check out the links in the description. And I also have numbers and things you can text to find more petitions that you can sign. I saw this quote and I thought it was really relevant in these times. So it says, if you are neutral in situations of injustice, you have chosen the side of the oppressor. Please speak out. Please do something. Anything that you can. If it's just sign petitions, just sign petitions. If you guys cannot donate money, which I understand, you can stream this playlist to donate money. The ad revenue will all go to donations for this kind of Black Lives Matter situation. So like I said, if you can't donate, just stream this playlist while you're either sleeping or just put it on mute and play it throughout the day, and this will give donations. Also, this is something that is completely off this topic and a little more brighter note. If you guys want to get some embroidery floss, I have a link in the description that is similar to mine that I use in like every video, and it's from Amazon, so you can check out that link also, because I've gotten many questions about that. And yeah, okay, onto your regularly scheduled video. Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another VSCO bracelets with Katie. Today's video is going to be a really simple, easy VSCO friendship bracelet. This one is more focused on the friendship aspect, like friendship bracelet aspect, because this one you can make a matching one for your friend. I know, how cute. Before the video gets started, remember to like and subscribe down below. It really helps me out. Thank you guys so much for all the love, like I say basically every video. And sorry that I missed last week. It was really crazy because I was auditioning for this play and I got in. So if you guys want to see maybe some rehearsal vlogs, maybe, and let's get into it. So first things first, you're gonna need some string. My trusty dusty bag of string. So first things first, you're gonna get your string. So I already picked out two colors because I am just that, what's the word? Prepared. So the colors that I picked out are purple and this cream color. Uh-oh. I don't have enough. Okay, different color then. This is the cream color. I'm choosing this blue color. So, for this, you can make two separate bracelets for your friend, like I was saying earlier. So you have to pick what color you want to be most dominant, I guess. The end result looks like this. So you can choose which one is like used the most, and I'm going to use purple the most, and then use this cream color as the like accent type color. What we're gonna do is we're going to make 3 strings with this color and 1 string with this color, which makes 4 altogether, 8 once we get to that part. First we're going to measure our string. Oh shoot, I don't know if I have a scissor. I don't know if I have scissors. I might have to go get those. Okay, see you in a second. Okay, So I got my scissors and we're ready to measure. So I'm gonna measure to my opposite elbow. I don't know why, I just decided that's where I'm gonna measure to. So I'm gonna hold it with this side of the string with this hand, and I'm gonna pull. I'm just gonna guess basically, but you can do your whole wingspan, but this is gonna take a little more string, so make sure that the color that you're using you have a lot of. But I'm cutting out 3 of these, the same color and the same length. So we have 3 of this pretty long string. Now we're going to cut out just 1 of the second color. There's a truck passing by. Just 1 of the second color of the exact same length, so you can just measure with the other ones. So now that I've cut out my string to the length that I want, I'm going to fold it in half. So, oh, there's a hair. I'm going to fold it in half. So now you're going to have 8 strings altogether, because 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now, question, when do you guys get out of school? Comment down below, because I'm already out of school. So now I'm going to tie this top part in a knot, just wrapping it around my finger and tucking it through. Then we're going to pull it up so that this little loop, I'm going to call it, about the size of the first knuckle to of my thumb. Now that I have this all tied and ready to go, I'm just going to snip off the ends so that they're all equal. I don't know why, I just want to do that because I don't know. So now they're all the same length and we're ready to start knotting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to tape it to my desk over here. But you can get a clipboard, or you can tie it to your water bottle, or you can screw it in a lid with like a Gatorade bottle. I've seen someone do that. But yeah, just do whatever you want to keep it secure so that when you tug on it, it's not gonna like come out. So now we're gonna move on to the next shot, and it's gonna be a close-up of this string, and oh, I just dropped it. It's going to be a close-up of this string, and I'll teach you how to do the knots, which are literally so easy, and they're exactly like the other knots that I've taught you. So, okay, so now that we're set up on this little desk, but we're going to tape it down. Okay, and we are going to start knotting. So here's all of this string. So like I said before, the white or the cream color is going to be my accent color. So here I'm going to zoom in. All of the other colors are going to go on this side, and then the accent colors are going to go on this side, just to make sure that we have them all sorted out, and then you can just bring them kind of together. So we're just going to start with any of these colors, and we're going to take one other string, so 2 strings, the rest to the side, and we are going to knot it. So what you do is you make a 4, and then you flip it under. Top string goes under, and then you pull it tight. And you do it a second time on every string. So you do this knot 2 times every string. It's exactly like the very first video that I posted that is getting tons of views. It's exactly like that, but with a different like color string basically. So you're just gonna do that, and then you're gonna move on to the next string. Doesn't matter which one, just the same color. And you're going to do 2, forward 4 knots. These are called forward knots, by the way. So 2, and then you drop that off and move on to the next string. So you are going to do that every single string across, even these strings. You're just going to go all the way across. So I'll catch up with you when I have a little bit done. Okay, so I just thought I would let you guys know another little tip, not really tip, but if it starts like curling up like this, like a rainbow kind of, just press it down. Basically, that's all I do. And also, once you finish knotting all on the top row, just drop off the last string and start up on the next one. And you just keep going across and dropping off, keep going across, dropping off until you are basically done. So I'll catch up with you after I've made a few rows. Okay, so yes, I had to replace the tape because it wasn't sticking anymore, but I have all of the blue or the gray done basically for the first round, and now what is next is this cream color. So I'm going to show you just what I do just to be clear. And I take it into my hands once I felt more confident with the forward knot. But of course you can still be making a 4, but I took it into my hands because I've done this a lot. Oh no, the tape's gonna come up. Let me get another. Remember, 2 knots each string. Okay, now that I have that row done, that's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna do the next color, and I'll see you when I am done with a couple more rows. Okay, so I finished a lot of knots. This does take a long time. I'm not even like halfway done. This is what it's supposed to look like. How it has like the accent, you know. And so I just thought I would explain when you're doing this, if you're doing a second one as a friendship bracelet for your friend, you can do, you know, all cream and then just blue, cream, blue, so that they're like matching, you know. That's like the friendship version, you know. Or you could just make one for yourself if you're like me. But I'll come back to you guys once I have, I'll come back to you once I have this full thing done to the point where I'm ready to finish it off. Okay, so I finished basically the whole thing. And that's what it looks like. And yeah, it took kind of a long time, but I finally finished it, and I'm going to show you how to knot it basically. I'm sitting down back in this setup, and this is the bracelet. This is probably a terrible angle shot. That is a terrible background, but that's what it looks like. And now we're going to finish it. So I think I've made 2 videos now on how to do a sliding knot. I have decided that I'm going to make a separate video so that I can link it at the end of every video about bracelets, so that I just don't have to keep going over it. But I do have one at the end of both of these videos. I'll put it in the eye right here or right here. Don't know which one. I'll link it in the eye and you can go watch it. I think I'm gonna actually just link the one that makes the most sense. You can do a sliding knot, or you can just tie it like a regular person, like with a regular knot. So we're just gonna tie a knot at the end of like the bracelet just a regular knot. Okay, so I tied a knot at the end, and now I am going to, so at the beginning we made a loop because we folded it in half. If you don't want the loop, and if you just want to tie it like with a regular knot, you can just cut it like that and just snip the loop so that it's just, you know, strings loose and free. Yes. I think I'm gonna do a sliding knot, which, like I said, will be linked in the tutorial. But if not, then you can just tie it in a regular knot. Okay. So now I have my bracelet on, and I will show you a close-up view of it right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see some like rehearsal vlogs, then I would love to do those, because I'm just really like vlogging, and I think it would be really fun, and you could see, I don't know, what's going on in my life. If you like these types of videos, make sure to give this a thumbs up so that I will know to do more, and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And yeah, love you, bye.